भाई सुनो ना भाई सर प्लीज चलिए आइए
हेलो किस पे नहीं उसको कुछ नहीं बोले सब अरे अलाउड क्या आ जाओ इधर वो गए परमिशन लेने के लिए
It is just amazing. It is very good feeling as of now. Being an ex-NDA, for last 3 years we've always been dreaming that one day will definitely come when we'll pass out. I'll also pass through Antim Pag, and then I'll stand with my parents in front of Sudan before joining this very building. Used to be my motivation, and now I stand before it, and it is just amazing to be an ex-NDA.
You have just become an inspiration for millions.
Sir.
Yes. So, please share about your journey. How do you started? When you decided to come to the NDA and join the armed forces?
Okay, so I had extremely iota of idea regarding NDA because there is no one from defense background in my family. When I joined, it was all new. It was like every day was a new box of surprises. Every day something new. Every day learning. And then 3 years, it's a long process. Yes. Sometimes some days will be low, some days will be high. There have always been my course mates to support me, instructors, officers, Saabs, everyone who has always supported me. It was just an amazing experience if I look back.
How was your experience with your course mates, your counterparts, male counterparts?
Yeah, everyone is good. Initially we had differences, but then with training we started feeling that sense of commonness, oneness, and I feel I've got best friends for life. I feel here that the friends I've made here, they're gonna be there for life.
What would your words to your juniors?
They're amazing. They're just amazing. I've seen, like, we do not find such bond with juniors in our schools or somewhere, but here they look up to you. They'll come to you, they'll inspire you, you learn from your juniors, you teach them, and it is just, this learning process is an amazing process.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
And feelings right now?
It is that the journey has just begun and I have a lot to achieve, a lot to accomplish. That is the feeling. And obviously to a completion of 3 years, that's a proud feeling. My father is satisfied, my parents are satisfied. My mother couldn't come, but she's also happy.
Harshilda, you have just become an inspiration for many girls. Take us through your journey, how you came to your mind to go to the NDA, and of course there's some process that was followed. But when did you decide to join NDA and armed expect armed forces?
I was actually preparing for JEE mains, and then NDA came in between as a blessing, and then I went for it, and here I am. This is what I went through before joining.
How you started, like from where you started?
It came as a shock because it came as a surprise that NDA, it was not open for us, and out of sudden it was open. I was preparing for JEE main, and then I was told by one of my friend that NDA is open for females as well. Then I was like, let me just give it a try, because I was planning to give CDS after my graduation.
What was the best part in these last 3 years?
This best part is meeting these 17 female cadets. These are my NDA.
And how your experience with the male counterparts?
They are amazing. They are so supportive. They don't have anything against. They are very supportive, and there's nothing male cadets, female cadets. I'm just pronouncing it wrong here. They're all cadets, and they're great.
Okay, my last question. So anything you want to share or tell to your juniors, the upcoming, ladies who will come?
Don't be afraid of anything. Don't be afraid of anything. You can do whatever you eye for. Everything is possible. Just go for it. Believe in yourself and go for it. Everything is possible.
Thank you so much. आज बहुत ही बड़ा दिन है स्वाति, और क्या आपकी भावनाएं इस वक्त, और कैसा आप इसको शेयर करें, कैसे बताएं?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. 3 साल खत्म हो गए. It was a roller coaster ride, ups and downs, highs and lows, but it is fabulous to be here, part of this fabulous academy. This academy teaches a lot of things, which actually matters. I'm very much proud to be part of NDA. Now I'm an ex-NDA, and I'm very happy today.
Okay, you have become an inspiration for millions of girls in India. Take us through your journey, which inspired them who will come in future and join NDA. Tell us about your journey, how you decided to come to the NDA and join NDA, and of course to join the armed forces.
As my father is in army, so he was one of the major motivation, inspiration for me to join forces, because I've seen forces since the beginning. So in between, I thought I'll become an engineer, but slowly and steadily, this armed forces attracted me, and I ended up here in NDA as soon as the gates of NDA opened. And I'm very happy today to be part of this force. It is just one needs to be motivated for what they want to do. It can be anything. It can be forces, it can be engineer, doctor, whatever. You just need to take a step forward, cross all the obstacles, because it is bound to be there. Obstacles will be there anywhere and everywhere you go, but you have to just keep on moving, because you're supposed to be there.
Any words to your juniors, upcoming postmates, anything you want?
Just keep smiling and keep moving forward. Life is full of challenges. Just keep smiling and move forward.
What's your future plan?
I'm an army cadet, so I'll join IMA, and I'll make my alma mater proud.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
कि क्या कहना चाहेंगे, कैसे उसको व्यक्त करेंगे आप?
बहुत एक्साइटिंग मोमेंट है. पेरेंट्स को प्राउड किया है, अपने डिविजनल ऑफिसर्स को प्राउड किया है. मेरा मेन मुद्दा था इस अचीवमेंट को डेडिकेट करना, कि जो फीमेल ऑफिसर्स हैं जिनने हमारे लिए बहुत सारा स्ट्रगल किया है, उनके लिए मैं डेडिकेट करूंगी अपनी अचीवमेंट, और उनकी लेगेसी कैरी फॉरवर्ड करना ही IMA में मेरा सोल है.
आर्म फोर्सेस में महिलाएं नया नहीं है, लेकिन NDA में महिलाएं नई बात थी, बड़ी बात थी. कैसा रहा आपका ये 3 साल का, और जब आपने डिसाइड किया कि आपको अब NDA में जाना है, वहाँ से लेके अब तक की अगर आप जर्नी मुझे बता पाए?
जब पता चला कि 75 साल बाद NDA खुल रहा है, तो ऐतिहासिक मोमेंट तो था ही उस पर उस टाइम मैं BCom ऑनर्स करी थी श्री राम कॉलेज ऑफ कॉमर्स दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी से. उस टाइम मुझे लगा कि मुझे वैसे भी फौज ज्वाइन करनी थी. पापा से इंस्पायर थी, अपनी बहन से इंस्पायर थी जो ऑलरेडी फौज में है. तो मेरा पूरा मन था, और मैंने अपनी मिलिट्री करियर को भी जल्दी शुरू करने का सोचा था. तो मेरे को सही अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली. बहुत एक्साइटिंग था. स्टार्टिंग में टाइम लगता है अकोमोडेट होने में, बट एक बार सेट हो जाते हैं तो फिर अच्छा.
कैसा अनुभव रहा 3 साल में आपके, स्पेशली आपके जो काउंटरपार्ट्स थे, आपके कोर्समेट थे, उनके साथ में कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा उस बारे में?
सबसे बड़ी चीज़ जो इस अकेडमी ने मुझे दी है वो मेरे कोर्समेट्स, मैं कहूँगी. अपने हाईज, अपने लोज, हर क्षण उनने मेरे साथ ऐसे साथ दिया है. बहुत थैंकफुल हूँ. थैंक यू.
आपको पीछे से आवाज, you are passing out today, and you were heading the parade. How's your feeling? What do you want?
Feels really good. I mean, like I said yesterday, I'll never get an opportunity in my life again to command 1,350 people again, and it was indeed a very surreal moment for me. And I don't know, I feel I just lived the moment today. I'm sure my family would have been proud of me, and I have to say thanks to all my instructors, my family, and all those who supported me. And today, finally, the day has come, and we've taken our Antim Pug, and we are finally ex-NDAs today.
Udit, take us to your journey, how you started, and what inspired you to be in the army or be in the NDA?
I'll be the fourth generation officer of my family. My father, my grandfather, and my great-grandfather all have served in the Indian Army, and they have commanded 3rd GR. And I'm a naval cadet, and it's always been a way of life for us. And ever since the start, I knew that I have to join the armed forces. And today I am here, finally taking my Antim Pug and passing to the National Defence Academy, and I feel really great that I'm finally living up to my dream.
It was very significant and very historic day. Your postmates, your counterparts, female counterpart also passed out. How was your experience with them during the training time and now the final day today?
Yes, definitely. It is indeed a historic moment, and first batch of female cadets has passed out along with us, and 148 cadet course will always be very special because of that. And I feel that as far as my female cadets are concerned, definitely hats off to them. They have done so well. They have done so well that most of the time we fail to realize that we have female course-mates along with us. That is because in each and every step throughout the training, they have done so well. Most of the time they've even outshined the male cadets. That we've never really felt that we're carrying female course-mates along with us. Rather, it is that they have become an integral part of our course, and I feel that they do really well in the services.
Thank you so much.